Hey guys, before we start today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know ahead of time that my GoPro is acting funny. The audio's been real iffy. I don't know what it is, like the wind reduction thing on it. I don't know. I'm gonna change the setting, not use it again because it's just screwing it up. But anyways, there's gonna be a couple parts you might notice that I tried my best to fix it, but like the audio's gonna like kind of drop just randomly. So bear with me. It's not awful, but you'll probably notice. But also another thing, I heard that if you guys leave a like and hit that subscribe button, and if it makes it easy on you guys, if you just hover over the little subscribe button in the bottom right of your screen, all you have to do is just click it right there and you're subscribed. But I heard if you like the video and hit that subscribe button, you will catch a 10-pound bass today. So I don't know about you, but I wouldn't risk not doing that. I mean, 10-pound bass is a 10-pound bass. You never know. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. Well, I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Yo, what's going on, guys? We are back with you for another fishing video. I'm with our boy Josh Dahl. Oh my god, that is bright. Okay, I'm with you with our boy Josh Dahl, cousin Josh, beautiful man, and we're here to catch some fish. So our goal was to use the Fish Brain app, and we did, and it led us to this first spot, and then I'll show you guys how that all works when we go to the next pond or lake or whatever we're fishing. But right now we're at, I don't remember what the name of the lake is, but I don't know, there's like big like construction building over there. They're doing construction over here. There's a huge fence that goes along through here. It's very windy, but I don't know, we're gonna give this little lake a shot. There's a lot of pads on it, so I think, I don't know, it's not really a good time to throw a frog, but there's a lot of pads. I don't know, I like frogging, so we'll bring a frogging rod. We're gonna see if we can catch some fish, so I'm gonna strap on the GoPro and we'll catch you down at the lake. All right, hopefully the audio is working. I've got it on like wind reduction, so it's supposed to block out the wind. But sometimes when it blocks out the wind, it kind of cuts my voice out. So we'll give it a shot. We'll see if it works. But this place is loaded with pads. So I think I'm gonna start off with the frog. Hopefully we don't get kicked out of here. People are stopping and looking at us, but as far as I know, it's a public pond. And I mean, shoot, there's like picnic tables and stuff over there, so surely. But this spot looks pretty saucy. A lot of pads, so I'm gonna start the frog and see if you can't catch something. All right. Maybe there's an absolute tank in here. Yeah, this little spot right here is a little more open, but there's a ton of pads. I think I'm gonna throw this frog down this dock. See if there's anything. Oh my god. There's a bunch of holes. Oh god. We've got to be able to catch one fish.
Yeah.
You'd think. Who's yelling hey?
Huh?
Someone just yelled hey.
I know.
I don't know if that was at us or not.
I don't know.
I mean, if they have a sign that says please stay off the dock, then there's I mean, people are going to be down here. And there's literally catches marked on Fish Brain of people fishing down here, so surely. What's that?
You work for a new Corps?
Oh no, we thought this was a
Private property.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, you cannot.
Oh, we're sorry about that.
No
We have this app called Fish Brain, and it like marks like public lakes and stuff around here, and it had this marked as public, so that's why we thought you could fish here.
No, this is Newport bought this from Mr. Brown,
Oh, okay.
so it's no longer. I just called my boss and he said make sure they're Newport employees, and so that's why I asked.
Okay, we didn't know about this. Sorry about that.
All right, no problem. Thank you, sir.
Yep, thank you. Well, that didn't last very long.
Nope.
At least the guy was super nice. I guess this lake was bought out from whoever owns Nucor. I guess it's that steel company opening up. I guess they bought it out, so it's no longer public, or at least for people like me. But at least the guy was super friendly. I appreciate that. That kind of sucks. But oh well, me and Josh, we're gonna hop back on the Fish Brain app and we'll try to find a spot with you guys, and I'll show you guys how that works in just a minute. So stay tuned. Hopefully we don't get arrested. Can I get a large strawberry shake and a large chocolate shake?
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. All right, well, we got kicked out of spot 1, so that's great. So it's super hot out. Had to treat ourselves, get some shakes from old Mickey D's, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna screen record on my phone. It might work, might not, I don't know. We'll see. But I'm gonna show you guys like what we do to find lakes and ponds and stuff to fish in, so watch this. So we go to the Fish Brain app. All right, what lake was that? That was called Marvin Howard Lake, which is now a private lake because that new steel industry place bought it out. All right, so we're gonna look around. There's these little blue, or these two, Lake Alarak. Okay, there's one lake I do want to fish, and it's right outside town. But this one? No, it's Coon Creek. We ain't fishing that. That's a botch.
It's called Muddy Creek now.
We can go to Cloverdale and try it.
Is it lake or creek?
It's a lake. It's on a, it looks like a, pretty sure Cloverdale. It's not, I don't know why Cloverdale doesn't have like a little marker on it, because you can fish there. Like, I've been there before. Alright. I really want to go to Cloverdale. So say we want Cloverdale. Otherwise, we would click on these blue icons and there's like different spots. I think the reason why Cloverdale doesn't have one is because I don't think anyone's marked a fish being caught there.
No.
Alright, so we're going to go try Cloverdale. But if there was a spot here, like if someone marked a spot, we would just click on it. Like, I'll just show you here. So we would just click on it like so. Click directions. Open maps. And just like that, we have directions. It would just load it up like that. Click go. And there you go. You got directions to the lake. But I know how to get to Cloverdale, so we're gonna go there. I've caught some fish out of there. Haven't caught a lot, but we'll give it a shot. We got some shakes, so we're good to go. Ready?
Yep.
See you there. In 3, 2. And just like that, we are at Cloverdale Lake. I fished this place like maybe twice. Caught a few fish. Never been really super hot, but me and your boy Josh Dahl are here. We're gonna try to catch some fish. Dude, that wind is brutal. Blowing. Oh, what? No way. Did you see that? Dude, I like threw it into the tree, popped it out, landed in the weeds right in front of me. And a fish came up and grabbed it. Look at that. First fish. Oh. It's not a bad one either. It's actually pretty breezy out here. I don't know if you can hear me, but came off the bandito bug right here in this grass. Chilling, trying to stay cool. Thanks for buying, dude. Very breezy out. Oh. There we go. Backhand. There's one. What we got? Oh, not a bad one. Get up here, buddy. Woo! Dude, he is I don't know, he's like stout. Another one. Dang, this lake's fire, bro. They're killing it today over here in the shallow. Throw a Senko over here, yeah. All right, we're gonna let this guy go. Get back to your little spot over there.
A few moments later.
Well, guys, oh, I'm glad that bench is here for us. It is not looking good. We haven't been catching anything.
Nope.
Not even a bite. We've walked like 10 miles around this freaking lake. I don't know what it is. I really don't. I see fish bust, I cast to it, nothing. Fishing all the shallow, casting out deep, nothing. So, I don't know, guys, I'm stumped. Oh, and it's really hot. We didn't bring any water. We're gonna die.
Yeah.
We're going to die. So what do you think the move is? We go to the old farm, try to catch a couple dinks?
Yeah.
You got some move?
Right.
I think me and Josh Dahl, we talked about it earlier, but might go to the old farm. Haven't fished the farm in a while. Actually, I don't know.
It's been really grown up, though.
Yeah, it has. Has it been brush hog?
Oh, yeah. He said it has.
Okay, well, it's brush hog. So, we might go to the farm. We gotta catch some more fish. I don't know, 3 fish in a video. That's not a lot, you know. I'm trying to catch fish and make good content for you guys. So, well, we don't really need the fish brain after that, but we've already tried here. I mean, we tried to go to a creek. There was no water in it. Don't even know why it's like listed on there. Went to a public lake. Got kicked out. So, and then we came here because I knew about this lake and it should have been on fish brain, but it is what it is. So maybe we're gonna go to the farm.
I say we go to the farm.
All right, I say we go to the farm, catch some fish, and call her a video, folks. Oh, all right. So we'll see you guys at the farm. All right, folks. We are at the old farm. It's somewhat brush hog. It's a lot shorter than what it could be worse. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm getting at. God, horses and stuff been in here, huh? It's like giant holes. Oh God, I'm gonna have like 400 ticks on me. Oh well. We'll throw the old swim jog around for a second. See what's up. Like, oh my God.
There's bullfrogs in here somewhere, man.
Yeah, bro. Some big bullfrogs. They're loud. Dude. Oh!
I told you.
What? What?
Hey, that counts.
Hey, it's on land. What in the world? What did I just witness? Oh my God, he demolished it.
I called that.
Woo! Demolished it. This little dude. I was about to say I don't even know if there's fish in here, but holy cow, thanks for biting, dude. He demolished that. Woo! Scared me. Oh, that scared the poop out of me. Literally, I think I pooped a little bit. My God. Oh my God! No! Oh my God! That was the biggest bass I've ever seen. Oh my God, at least 6 or 7. Oh my God. It was huge. How did I not get him? God. It was huge. Oh my God. I couldn't even keep up with him. He like grabbed my frog and swam straight to the lily pads. An insane one too. There we go. Not a bad one. Get up here. Woo. Not bad. Little froggy fish. He's a little guy. Big attitude. There you go. Thank you, buddy. Let's go. Back to back. Oh! Did you see how big that fish was? Oh my God. That's 2 monster fish I've lost on the frog.
Dude, I don't think
I think I need some new hooks on my frog. I've missed like the last 4 fish that have hit my frog. Or I just need to learn how to catch fish. See, they smack it, they just don't take it. Oh, just kidding. There's one. Froggy fish. Hit it right there in front. Oh, buddy. All right, thanks for biting, little guy. I need you to tell your mommy to bite my frog again. I want that big one. I want redemption. Oh, we caught a few fish. Well, I did. Josh had kind of a rough day, but we have those days as fishermen. But came out here. This was our best bet at catching fish, I guess. First spot, got kicked out of. Second spot, super slow, don't know why. Caught a couple fish, but that was it. Came to the old farm, thought we could catch some donkeys, but instead we were losing them, all of them. I don't know what it is. So, it is what it is. Josh Dahl.
Yeah.
How do you feel about today?
Pretty crappy. I caught like 1 fish.
You heard it here. 1 fish. Somewhere. Somewhere there you got fish. Oh, in the corner. I guess I was on the other side of the pond when it happened. I don't know. You guys, down below in the comments, let me know what your favorite brand of frog is, what your favorite kind of frog is, like popping frog, walking frog, things like that. I want to know. I just throw like, I have a bunch of lunker hunt frogs, but today I threw I think it was like a booyah walking frog. And for some reason, I don't know if it's just me, I just suck, but I just could not set the hook on one. I lost 2 giants back to back, and then I lost a bunch of dinks, then I caught a few dinks. I don't know what it is. But if you know what I was doing wrong, just let me know. I don't know, man. I got the Flares frog and flipping stick. I got 50-pound Power Pro braid on there. I don't know. I thought I jacked them when I freaking set the hook, so I don't know. But let me know in the comments below your favorite frogs. But anyways, that's going to end today's video. It's dark. My GoPro died. I lost too many fish. I'm gonna leave with what's left of my dignity, so yeah. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. I would like to get this video to, I don't know, 20 likes. Let's say 20 likes. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Josh, thank you for coming fishing with us.
No problem, man.
It was a good time. We fished for literally like 6 hours straight. It's always fun. If you guys want to see Josh in more videos, down below, comment Josh Dahl. Spam it, spam Josh Dahl. I know you guys out there from Cold Camp are watching this video, so spam Josh Dahl, because you know you want to see this dude catch some more fish.
Yeah.
Well, catch a fish.
Yeah.
Anyways, that's going to end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed once again, and thank you guys for watching. And I will catch you guys on the next episode of Bad Bass Fishing. And like always, stay hooked.